come to this house and talk this type of nonsense? Yes, are you not ashamed of yourselves? Are you not ashamed of giving?
No.
We are patiently listening to Honorable Leader of Opposition. We are patiently listening. But the words.
So I'm not yielding, sir.
No, but you are saying shameful. You are saying nonsense.
Nonsense.
So how can you? Okay, I won't
When
go
the
down that
finance
line.
minister replies in the evening, the leader of opposition should listen to the reply of the honorable finance minister. Yes. My request is, please use the word whatever you choose to use, but don't make it abusive. It doesn't.
That's not abusive, my friend.
Nonsense. जो nonsense आपने use किया वो कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा. Nonsense is not appropriate.
I did not use nonsense, sir.
You have used.
Okay, sir, I won't use nonsense.
Please.
Sir, ashamed is not an abuse.
No.
There's nothing, in saying, are you not ashamed, there is no abuse.
No, ashamed you can use.
I am just stating.
Whatever you have,
okay, sir, let me speak.
Forgotten, I think so.
I am saying, Speaker, sir, I am saying that you have sold India. Are you not ashamed of selling India?
Yes.
Do you have no shame of selling India? You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. Do you have no shame? But sir, the interesting thing is,